Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Time to hopefully drill these out, get the lock bar relief. But first I think what I'm going to do is chamfer everything up, get it all even, all cleaned up. That way when we cut the lock bar and drill it and all that, we'll be good to go. But I went ahead and made this jig. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it. I'll show you what it's all about a little bit. I'll put my website up here, all that good stuff. It's also down in the links. First down in the links with Amazon and all that. Let's just get to the grinder. What I did is I put the back pieces on and screwed them in, the front pieces and screwed them in. Then I took a piece of 3/16, which is the size of my blade, and put it in the middle to hold it. And I tightened everything down. I drilled a hole in this and tapped this. So this will fit in here. Boom. And that way we can make everything smooth. I'll have to put the small wheel on for here. I'm gonna get everything done on both of these. And look, the good thing about this is, I already did some of that for Instagram. If this piece don't flip out, we can turn this over and bam, we got the back now. And the top and all that. I just have to push it out like this and do this side. See, I used to do this on 1, 2, 3 blocks. But the 1, 2, 3 blocks are too high, or they hit the belt, and yeah, it's just a pain. Let's get it done. Well, damn, that worked out pretty good. Now I gotta put the small wheel on there, but let me get the other one done. This is gonna be the same thing, so I might not record it. So I went ahead and did this one for Instagram. You know, I'm almost thinking that screw isn't needed. It just seems like it doesn't really matter. But we'll see. That way I can just flip it over, you know. But other than that, yeah, we'll see. You know, I'm gonna take these apart and do the flats too. Yeah, I just wanted to get in here with them together. I'm just gonna do these off camera, and then I think I'm just gonna put the flat platen on with a Scotch-Brite and hit them all down flat. I started to do it here, but then I realized the flat platen would be much quicker. I noticed the top platen here, it's got like glue and stuff from the belt's catching, and I've been thinking about curving it off so when the belt comes up, you know, it's not that harsh. So instead of taking all this apart and breaking out the other platen and all that, I'm just gonna take the disc grinder and bust it down. Let's do it. Yeah, just so we have an easier transition. All right, let's get back to it. Woo! A couple times my finger slid into the belt. Man, woo! That's one thing that sucks about titanium, you can't use magnets. Alright, let's put a Scotch-Brite on there. See what we can get done. Whew, that's hot. Did you see the steam come out of that? Woo! I need to get a Pyrex plate like that. Whew! Alright, not too bad. Yeah, man. I'm shining light all the way across the room. Yeah. Boom, I got two more, but it's just the same thing. Well, I think that's about a stopping point. I got both these all put together, ready to go. Next video, I'll be cutting out the lock bar and drilling the holes and hopefully getting the detents in so we can put the bevels on these. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff we always tell you. I'll put my website up in the cards. It's the first one down in the description along with Amazon links. I got shirts on there, I got knives on there, Amazon links, all that good stuff. Let's see, I'll put the knife vlogs right here. I'll put Knife Making 101 right here. My subscribe button's right there. And my website's right there. Hope you're all having a great day. And as always, take it easy.